this episode, we're going to discuss SK's 4 flavor categories. Here at SK, we, like many other specialty roasters, are trying to highlight various single origin coffees, trying to show the difference in flavor across the world and what makes each different growing region and farm, even that specific, what makes each one of those unique. However, what we're trying to do is actually explore those various single origins by categorizing them into 4 different flavor areas that we believe everybody has the ability to taste. So what are those 4 flavor categories? We have smooth, which are our blue labels, bold, which are our green labels, sweet, pink labels, and unique, yellow labels. Our smooth coffees are sort of your traditional type coffees, those sort of Central South American, Juan Valdez, that kind of Colombian, like really rooted, delicious, chocolatey, nutty coffee. Not too outrageous, not too offensive, just right, a really good cup of coffee. Flavors within that, notes of possibly marzipan, almonds, cacao, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, those kind of flavors. Our bold category might have some of those same flavors, but this, I like to send people who say, I really like a dark roasted coffee. I think that somebody who enjoys dark roast will identify with in our bold category is typically the sort of body heaviness that a bolder coffee has. Various flavors in the bold category might be sweet jalapeno, perhaps a more zesty nut, perhaps like a dry roasted almond or a dry roasted peanut, perhaps like green pepper. Sometimes there's like some really rich vegetal flavors within that category, but again, bold is going to be a lot of like body heavy coffee. Our sweet coffee is rather self-explanatory. It's going to be those sort of juicy, fruity, sometimes floral coffees. However, recently we got in our Peruvian micro lots from Campesino Mateo, and the coffee from farmers Vicente and Ilda, unbelievable. It is not juicy, it's not fruity, it's not floral, but it has this sort of like peanut brittle cookie dough sweetness. So it's that sort of really like brown chocolate, brown sugar sweetness to it. In our unique coffees, there isn't necessarily a single flavor characteristic we're looking for. It's just things that are unique on the palate. I swear to God, I have had a coffee that tasted like Skittles. It was a honey process from Costa Rica, I believe. It was a couple years ago at the SCA Roasters Championships. Crazy coffee. Currently, we only have one coffee in there, and it's our Ethiopian natural process. Probably all of our Ethiopian natural processes that we obtain and source are going to be in that category. Perhaps a pea berry, depending, if it's sourced in a unique way, like a micro lot pea berry, we've thrown in there our Peruvian pea berry that we got last year. But again, that one is just going to be something that is out of the ordinary, either flavor or process-wise. So that's just a brief introduction about our 4 flavor categories. Again, we're really trying to empower our coffee drinkers. You have the ability to taste coffee. I can't tell you how many times I'm at a market or with people who are like, my palate's not refined enough. But it is. It is. You really can start to... We're not talking about sommelier level tasting, right? I think we can all participate in this kind of tasting experience.